In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Mailchimp. Let's start by opening up your Mailchimp campaign in the email editor. This is where you design and customize the content of your email. Make sure you're in the section where you can see your layout, with different blocks for text, images, and other elements. To add an image, you'll first need to insert an image block into your layout. Look for the content area on the right or left side of your screen, depending on your Mailchimp layout. Find the option labeled Image. You can either click the plus icon where you want the image to go and choose Image, or you can drag the image block into the exact spot in your email where you'd like the picture to appear. Take a moment to place it carefully so it works nicely with your text and overall design. Once the image block is in place, you'll see options to add content to it. Click the Add or Replace drop-down inside that block. Here, you have a few choices. If the image is saved on your computer, choose Upload Image. If you've already uploaded images to Mailchimp before, choose Browse Images to open the Content Studio, where your existing images are stored. If you're uploading from your computer, click Upload, browse to the file you want to use, select it, and then click Open. Mailchimp will upload the file and place it in your image block. If you're using something already saved in the Content Studio, simply select the image you want and click Insert to drop it into your email. You may also see an option to import from a URL. To do that, use the drop-down next to Upload and select Import from URL, then paste in the direct link to your image. After your image has been inserted, it's time to fine-tune it. Click the Edit button on the image. Here, you can resize or crop the picture so it fits better, and you can add a link if you want people to go to a web page when they click the image. This is great for product images or banners. Make sure to set alt text as well. Alt text is a short description of the image that helps with accessibility and also shows if the image doesn't load. Finally, adjust alignment and spacing so it looks clean and balanced with your other content. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save and Close to finish editing that image block. Your image is now part of your Mailchimp email and ready to send.